Imagine a small navy or a small soft unit want to attack a bigger navy using drones. It's going to be a surprise, and it's going to be with very non-expensive assets that they can create, and the advantage needed to go against a bigger and stronger enemy.
This technology is not static, it's dynamic, it's advancing, it's maturing rapidly, and it's changing the environment that we're operating in. Whether you're kicking indoors or you're swimming, in a harbor, the technology is arriving to make it more difficult, or in some cases more advantageous for us if we're using technology.